Welcome to StockMarketFunding.com. We encourage you to sign up for our free e-video book at www.stockmarketfunding.com. Call us 702-685-0772. We are going to just give a very brief introduction to the basics of support and resistance. And basically, we are going to show you here by showing you on this chart that Apple Computer had a major support level right there at $200 per share. And when we have that support level, what we will be teaching you in your free e-video book as an introductory, as a new beginner investor or trader, is that we will show you how to apply a trade. Basically, we are making this very simple for people because we buy here at support. That's where the buyer and the seller have met, and the seller is no longer there, and the buyer takes control. And these are 3-minute charts, and you get a 3-minute, 6-minute, 9, 12, 15-minute, and this is a short-term resistance. This is called a pivot line. And we come back, we set up at another support level, which is much higher than the previous one, and there is no seller here at this support level, and we consolidate. That means that the price and volume action go sideways in a certain price range, and you break that resistance level, you pull back and you test that support level, and then all of a sudden the buyers have entered that trade. There is a $6 price movement in that 3-minute bar. The low was 202.75, and your high was $209.32 in that one 3-minute bar. By applying 100 shares or 200 shares, you could have made that money in that 3-minute candlestick. This is basic support and resistance, but in our e-video book, we will have things on candlestick charting, how to apply technical indicators, MACD here, how to apply other indicators that will show you when a stock is overbought or oversold. You can see here that once we made a top, we came back, and how to apply a 3-minute, 200-minute period moving averages. These are minute period moving averages, but stocks find different levels of support, and they find different levels of resistance. That's when the buyer's not there, and the seller on this side of the market, the seller is in control, and they're taking profits. And we come back down, and we hit another support level. And basically, this was a support level right here, and we went up here, and we hit a resistance level. And that ended the trading day during this day. So during this time frame, we will be guiding you through the basics of support and resistance, and you will learn a series of mini e-videotapes that will be an introductory to our SMF Pro Trading School. What we want to do is take you by the hand, teach you with live trading on how to master support resistances. What are the characteristics of support resistance? Number one, you get support when the buyer's there, you have more buyers there, sellers aren't there. Number two, you consolidate at another higher support level. Then number three is the buyers were here. The buyers were there. There are technical indicators in your ebook. You'll learn on each one what each one of the technical indicators mean on each chart frame. There are the moving average convergence divergence. There is a relative strength line called the percent DS and percent DA, and how to apply these. Stocks make turns, and how to apply these minute period moving averages, and this is a 3-minute chart. And you will learn also how to apply basic support and resistance in our ebook, video book, is that this is a 15-minute chart. And basically, these are 15-minute candlesticks, and we had a lot of support here. We also had a lot of resistance up here. And we also had a lot of support here. And then we had some more resistance here. And when a stock hits resistance, that's when the sellers get control and the buyers are no longer there. Same thing over here. We had a major 15-minute area of resistance and the sellers overpowered the stock. And you're going to learn lots of various different topics that we are going to teach you. And then there are 60-minute charts. The stock got major support here. Here's a major resistance level here. We went down. Here's another resistance level here. We found support here. We found resistance there. We found support here. We found resistance there. What you will learn in our individual seminars, but we will give you the basic knowledge in our e-video book as why stocks sell at resistance and how stocks are bought at support, and how you, as a novice individual or someone that's never traded before, can be guided by our certified instructors as to actually putting the trade on as we help you define support. Right over here was a major support on a 60-minute chart, and we broke down. Our goal is to provide you a free e-video book on the basic time frames of understanding support and resistance, understanding technical indicators. All of this stuff below here, we have moving averages. These are minute period moving averages. We use daily charts. Here's a daily chart. Here's a major support level on a daily chart on Apple Computer. And the seller really got control. Here was a major resistance level. And you will learn in your ebook about these are technical indicators that are applied. However, they all work on various different time frames. So you have a 3-minute chart, a 15-minute chart that I showed you, a 60-minute chart. We even go further than that. How to apply a weekly chart. A weekly major resistance level is very important, and so is a weekly support level. Because if you own stocks and you don't understand when a stock is going to break that major resistance level, you will not learn how to come out of a trade and you will lose your profits. Just like up at the top at resistance, this is a weekly chart. These are weekly candlesticks. These are weekly technical indicators. All of these indicators are individual components that direct you in a stock price movement up or down. You buy to go higher, you make money. We had a major support level over here in Apple Computer on a weekly chart at 171, and if you bought it for the longer term hold, it went clear up to $215 here. What you will learn is how to apply weekly charts, daily charts. You will learn monthly charts. Here are monthly support levels. When I broke support, this was a major resistance level. This was a major support level. And you're going to learn how to apply support and resistance. So when I break support, that means that this is going to be new resistance. Support, resistance, technical indicators that you will learn here, and how to apply this is all going to be the relevancy of how a stock moves up in price, when to sell it, where it has resistance, how to buy it at support. This was a very good monthly support level. And you could have bought this stock down here at $86. And you bought 100 shares, and several months later, you sold it at $200. That is a very big move. That's about, let's just say you made $150